This is my wheelchair without its seat cushion on or covers. And why? Because my wheelchair was absolutely filthy and I decided it needed a clean. But obviously, I needed a wheelchair to clean in, so into my old one I got. I started by pulling in my wheelchair to the garden and then choosing my weapons of choice to clean my chair. I decided to clean the underside of the frame of my chair first, but in order to do this, I needed to do some sort of like WWE style move on my chair and flip it onto the underside. So I got to work with the sponge, drenching myself in the process, cleaning the underside and then going around to the back to clean the handlebars and the grab bar at the back before going onto my brakes and flipping onto its side to try and clean my wheels. This didn't work exactly to plan, so instead I came up with a new solution. That solution was getting Jamie out to take my chair apart, place it on a stool, and then let me have the wheels so that I can then go and place it on the ring that is supposed to hold our fire pit. Using the fire pit was a huge success, as it meant that I was able to reach all the tricky angles with my sponge and brush that I was struggling with whilst it was attached to my chair. It was then time for a trip to the front of the house to use a hose to rinse off the rest of the chair. I then quickly used a hairdryer to dry off some of the wet bits I got from rinsing the chair, and then admired my work before finally putting everything back together, ready for me to use for the day ahead. I don't think I'll make this a professional service.